In this video, let's break down exactly what the World Ticket does in Type Soul after the Hell update. The World Ticket is a special item that allows you to switch between different worlds in the game. This means you can travel to Wikomondo, Soul Society, and Hell, depending on your progression of the content. It's especially important after the Hell update, since now players need the World Ticket to access new areas, farm unique bosses, and unlock late-game content. Without it, you're basically locked out of a big part of the update. The ticket doesn't get consumed permanently. Instead, it works as a pass, letting you move across realms whenever needed. That makes it one of the most valuable items in the game right now. So if you get a world ticket, hold on to it. It's your gateway to farming, grinding, and experiencing everything the Hell update added. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this.